Good evening and welcome to the annual Title I meeting at Peach Elementary. Like the No Child Left Behind Act, Every Student Succeed Act is a reauthorization of the 1965 Elementary and Secondary Education Act, which requires each Title I school to hold an annual meeting for parents. The purpose of this meeting is to inform parents of the school's participation in Title I, explain the legal requirements of Title I, and explain parents' rights to be involved. This portion of the parent information meeting serves as your annual meeting. During this presentation, we will discuss Title I funds and programs, Title I eligibility, parent rights under Title I, parent involvement policy, and the Homeschool Compact. The goal of this presentation is to ensure that parents understand the Title I program on our campus. Title I is a federal program that provides supplemental funding to schools with high numbers or high percentages of children from low-income families to ensure that all children meet challenging state academic standards. Our school qualifies for Title I funds because our free and reduced lunch rate is 84%. This means that 84% of our students qualify for free or reduced lunch. In Arlington ISD, there are 54 schools and 74% of students that receive Title I funds based on the percentage of students who receive free and reduced lunch. Over 44,000 students will benefit from Title I funds this year. Our campus is a school-wide Title I program. This means that all students on our campus are eligible to receive Title I funded services and programs, even if they don't qualify for free or reduced lunch. Our goal is for all students on our campus to be proficient and to provide opportunities for all parents to be involved. 3 required elements of a school-wide Title I program include a comprehensive needs assessment, a comprehensive school-wide plan to address campus needs, and an annual evaluation of the school-wide plan. This plan should be jointly developed with staff, students, and parents. Title I funds are used to supplement, which means to provide things above and beyond everything all AISD schools receive from the district. Title I funds may not be used to replace the funds and programs the district already provides to all schools. Title I funds are used to identify students experiencing academic difficulties and providing timely assistance to help students meet content standards, purchase supplemental staff programs and materials, conduct parent engagement meetings, trainings, workshops, and activities, and recruit, hire, and retain highly qualified teachers. In Title I schools, you will see any of the following: annual Title I meetings, school parent compacts, two-way communication between teachers and families, a variety of family engagement workshops, end-of-year surveys, parent conferences, and information in a language that families can understand. Title I funds at Peach are allocated to tutoring for struggling students, field trips, training and professional learning for teachers, reading and math materials, our instructional coach and academic dean, which support teachers with instruction, our student support interventionists that support students needing more intervention, supplies for students, and refreshments for parent meetings. All Title I campuses hold meetings for parents to provide information on academics, curriculum, and state assessments. These academic meetings also share strategies to help support your child's learning at home. Some of the meetings that we hold this year include writing academic nights, reading academic nights, parent workshops, and coffee talks with the principal. Parent and family engagement includes the term parent engagement, which means the participation of parents in regular two-way and meaningful communication involving student academic learning and other school activities. Each school district that receives Title I funds shall develop jointly with parents and family members of students a written parent and family engagement policy. In addition, the policy shall be incorporated into the district's plan. The policy must describe how the district will engage parents in the district plan, provide coordination and technical assistance to schools for parent engagement, build parent and school capacity, annually evaluate the policy, and involve parents in Title I school activities. Each Title I school shall jointly develop with parents written and parent engagement policies that shall meet these requirements, be developed jointly with and approved by parents, be distributed to parents in a language they can understand, describe how a school will meet parent involvement requirements, and be updated periodically. The school parent compact is a written agreement between parents and teachers which outlines what families and schools can do to help children reach high academic standards and must be developed jointly with parents and teachers. All Title I parents must be given the opportunity to contribute to the development of this policy and school parent compact. Parent input is vital to developing the policy and a compact that is reflective of the school and community being served. Some opportunities to be engaged on our campus this year include the Title I Family Engagement Team that plans parent activities, the Site-Based Decision-Making Team, which advises the principal on campus improvement, attending Title I events such as academic nights and parent workshops, toddler time, Dads Engaged for Excellence, and coffee talks with the principal. Opportunities to get engaged at the district level include Family Expo career and job fairs, College and Career Expo, district committees such as Student Health Advisory Committee, Textbook Committee, District Instructional Decision-Making Team, Capital Needs Steering Committee, Financial Future Committee, and Bond Oversight Committee. You can also get involved in the Family Literacy Program, which is for parents of children in Title I schools. The goals for the program include strengthening adult literacy, enhancing child development, providing parents with tools to become partners in the education of their children, and improving opportunities for post-secondary education. Classes are held daily at Knox Elementary from 8:15 to 11:15 or 12:15 to 3:15. A one-year commitment is required, and family engagement activities and classes are also held, like English as a second language or adult basic education classes. For more information on the Family Literacy Program, please contact 682-867-7267. If you have any questions regarding our Title I programs, please contact our Family Engagement Liaison, Sylvia Gonzalez, at 682-867-6102. Thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of tonight's session.